Hello everyone, welcome back to our math channel, Math Bridges. In today's video, we are going to learn about the square of a two-digit numbers in a super fast way. Before we start, let's see the square of the numbers from 1 to 10. 1 square is 1, 2 square, 2 into 2 it is 4, 0, 4 I have written, 3 square, 3 into 3, 9, 0, 9, 4 square, 4 into 4, 16, 5 square, 5 into 5, 25. If you observe here, 1, 2 and 3, I have written the answers 1, 4, 9 as 0, 1, 0, 4 and 0, 9. Even though if I am writing 0 before the digit, the value does not change. So it's better to write like this. So when we are doing further, this will help us to calculate in a very easy way. Let's move on now. 6 square, 6 into 6, 36. 7 square, 49. 8 square, 64. 9 square, 81. And 10 square is 100. 10 into 10. You all are very much aware of this one from 1 to 10. The squares have to be very much perfect so that finding the two-digit number squares will become very easy for you all. Let's consider one example, 23 square. First step, here 2 is there. So you find the square of this one, means 2 into 2, it is 4. Second step, the next digit, 3 square. 3 square is how much? It means 3 into 3, it is 9. You write it like this, 0, 9. I'm reiterating once again, if it is a one-digit number, don't write it as only 4. Write it as 0, 4, 0, 9, 0, 6, something, whatever you are getting. And the next final, third step, you multiply these digits, all the digits, 2 into 3 into, and the power. The power of 23 is 2, this one. All these 3 digits you have to multiply. So I have taken here 2 into 3 into 2. It is 12. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Coming over here, now we will add this 12 here. Leave the first digit, units place. Always leave this place. You add 12 to this number now, in this manner. So how much? 9. There is no number, so we will write it as it is as 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 0 as it is. So the square of 23 is, 23 into 23 is 529. It's very easy, right? Let's see a few examples so that you will understand. Now 34 square. So what is the first step? 3 square. So how do we write that one? We should not write it as 9. Take it as 0, 9. Now 4 square means it is 4 into 4. So we are writing it to be as 16, 1, 6. Third step, multiply all these numbers like 3 into 4 into and the power into 2. So 3 into 4 into 2. 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Now this 24, we have to add it to this. Again here the first important thing, leave the first number. Do not write it over here in the units place. I have taken it to be as a star. You can write it as 0 or any other some small dot or anything. Now you add this number 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. 9 plus 2 is 11. So carry over. So we are getting 1156, 1156. So 34 square is 1156. Now let's check with one more example. 58 square, it means 58 into 58. So the first step, 5 square, it means 5 into 5 is 25. Second step, 8 square, 8 into 8 is 64. So we have written this. Moving on to the third step, we are adding 5 into 8 into 2 and the power also we are multiplying. So it is 5 into 8 into 2, it is 80. See, one easy technique, 5 8s are 40, 42s are you can do. If you are not comfortable, take 5 2s are 10. 10 table is easy for you. So 5 2s are 10, 10 8s are 80. Always ensure that if possible, if you are getting 0, so the multiplication becomes easy. Now 2564 and here we got it to be as 80. So now you add this 80 to this number in such a manner, leaving the first digit. Leave the units place and add 80. So how much it is? 4 plus this. There is no number, so it will be 4. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry over. 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore, 58 square is 3364. So within 3 steps we are getting the answer. One more example, 67 square. First step 6 square, 36, 7 square, 49, and the third step it is 6 into 7 into 2 on the power. So 6 7s are 42, 42 2s are 84. Or you can take 2 6s are 12, 12 7s are 84. Now add this 84 to this number, leave the units place and add. So 9, 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, carry over, 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore 67 square is 4489. If you are multiplying 67 into 67, again take the carry over, again come to the second row. Isn't it a little bit lengthy process? This method will help you to calculate the squares. One more example, 95. Again the same rule, 9 square, 81, 9 into 9, 5 square, 25. I'm doing directly now, 25. And the third step is multiply 9 into 5 into 2. Here also you can see 2 5s are 10 you take. It will be easy. 2 5s are 10, 10 9s are 90. So add this 90 to this number, leaving the units place. So 5, 2, 10 and 9, 9025. So 95 square is 9025. When the digits in the units place are 5, I'll make one video. There's one more very easy technique how to find when we are having in the units place as 5. Multiplying with the same number. I can say you here, see 9. What comes after 9? It is 10. 9 10s are 90. 5 5s are 25. Directly you can write the answer. Now one more example, 80 square. Here same thing will follow. 8 8s are 64. 0 square is 0. So I'm taking it as 2 digits as we discussed in the first slide. So now 8 into 0 into 2. It's obviously clear that when you are multiplying with 0, the product will be 0 always. So directly when you are adding 0, you will get the answer as the same number. 6400. So 6400. 80 square is 6400. Here also directly when 0 is there in units place, you can directly write 8 8s are 64. So it is 6400. Let's see one more example of the same kind. We'll be checking with one more example with 0 in ones place. 70 square. If you observe here in ones place you are having 0. So the easy only in one step you can complete. 7 7s are 49. And 0 means it will be 0 0 we are considering. So 4900. 70 square is 4900. The same manner, if you are considering one more example, you can see 60 square. So what will be the answer? 6 square is 36. 0 square 0 0. So directly you can write the answer as 3600. Therefore, 60 square is 3600. So when zeros are there, you can follow this method. The practice worksheet link is given in the description along with the answer key. You can download and you can practice it. And I want you all to write the squares of the numbers from 1 to 25 and master them. Here I have given the list of squares of the numbers from 1 to 25. You can write it on your own and cross check from here. If somebody is asking you how much is 18 square 324, 12 square 144, 14 square 196 and 25 square 625, you should be able to say it in fraction of seconds. So please write it and practice and master the squares. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.